Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer BUSD from Exmo to Crypto.com in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. BUSD is a stablecoin that's super popular for its stability, and transferring it between exchanges like Exmo and Crypto.com can help you manage your portfolio better. Let's get right into it. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Exmo and Crypto.com, and that you have some BUSD in your Exmo wallet. Double check that you've enabled two-factor authentication on both platforms for extra security. It's a must in the crypto world. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account. Head over to the wallet section and select BUSD. You'll want to initiate a withdrawal. Before you proceed, note the network you need to use. For BUSD, it's often BEP2 or BEP20, so ensure it matches what Crypto.com supports to avoid any issues. Next, open your Crypto.com app or website and go to your wallet. Find your BUSD address. Copy it carefully because one wrong character could send your funds into the void. Paste this address into the withdrawal form on Exmo. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, so check those first to avoid surprises. Once you're ready, confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, so keep an eye on that. After the transfer is initiated, it usually takes a few minutes to an hour to reflect in your Crypto.com wallet, depending on network congestion. Once it's there, verify the amount and celebrate your successful transfer. A quick tip: always start with a small test amount if you're new to this. And if you run into any hiccups, both Exmo and Crypto.com have support resources. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.